Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will learn what is domain network, private network, and public network in settings. So this small kind of knowledge is very necessary to the all the people. So let's get into the class and we will learn what is domain network, private network, and public network. So when you go to the settings and you get when you go to the firewall and network protection, then you will be having three options: domain network, private network, and public network. So domain network is a domain network is controlled by the servers. Domain networks are controlled by the servers. So what are servers? So servers is a software applications which give services to the other computer services. The services, what are servers? Which give services to the other computer devices. So those are called servers. So the servers will manage the domain network. So these domain networks are usually are used in big businesses, and security purpose also they will use the domain network only. They will use the network only. So when you click on domain network, you'll be having networks at a workplace that are joined to a domain, and active domain networks not connected. So mine is not a domain network. And you will be having Microsoft Defend Firewall, which helps you to which will help protect your device while on a domain network. So like online threats like cyber attacks, all those things will be defended by the Microsoft Defender. And you will be having incoming connections, prevents incoming connections when on a domain network, blocks all incoming connections, including those in the list of allowed apps. So these are the domain network. These are the domain network. And you will be having a private network. So basically, private networks are used in small businesses, small business, and this network will be having a password, and based upon the password, the user can log into the private network. So this is my private network. So this is my Wi-Fi. So networks at home or work where you know trust the people and devices on the network where your device is at a discoverable. This is my Wi-Fi. This is a private network, and a Microsoft Defender firewall helps you to protect you while on a private network. So always you have to click on this thing. So then your network is protected. And if you want to select this thing, you can select this thing. So it will block all the incoming connections, including those in the list of allowed apps. So this is how we can use the private network and public network. So public network is the network where all people will connect to that public network, like public Wi-Fi's in our village, right? In our villages, in our cities, we'll be having public networks, right? So when you connect to that public network, there will be a lots of cyber attacks and phishing, all kind of attacks will be done. So while connecting to the public network, it's always careful to connect to the Wi-Fi of the public network. So networks in a public places such as airport, coffee shop, where your device is set as not discoverable. So if you want to not discoverable when you connect to public network, then this network will help you to like when you connect to the public network, this Microsoft Defender firewall will helps you to not to get attacks from the cyber attacks and all those things. So helps protect your device while on public networks. There are three kinds of network which helps you to protect from the cyber attacks. What are those? Domain network, private network, and public network. So these are the three important networks that everyone needs to understand so that your data will be protected. So you can use blocks all income connections, including those in the list of allowed apps. So this is how we can use the domain, private, and public network in the computer settings. So that's it, friends. This is a small class about domain, private, and public network in the settings. How can we use it and how can we use those settings and protect our data in our system? So that's it, friends. If you find this video helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be have benefited from this video, and please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos on YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.